Welcome back to our second destination.
Super simple. Alright, made it to Pattaya, Ice's hometown. Now we're just walking up and down the streets. Hi.
Afterwards, we took a quick ride and grabbed some food with a beautiful view. Hopped on a scooter and headed to the fresh market. The rest of the evening we spent with friends and family, eating and catching up. The next day we woke up early and headed out. Standing over 105 meters tall, the Sanctuary of Truth has the look and feel of a temple. There are 4 main spires on the top, some of which you can see in this video. These hold aloft figures of Diva and other celestial figures. The figure on the topmost spire is Kalkai. Made entirely of intricately carved wood, without any metal nails, and commanding an essential view of the ocean, the Sanctuary of Truth is best described as a visionary environment, part art installation, religious shrine, and cultural monument. Constructed in 4 wings dedicated to Thai, Khmer, Chinese, and Indian religious iconography, its architecture and setting is impressive. Because of its location by the sea, the structure is in continuous renovation, blocking 1 wing off at a time. Still, people are encouraged to come to visit this monument. We decided to come early in the morning, taking our first tours to avoid the crowds. Thousands of wooden sculptures adorn the walls of the Sanctuary of Truth. These sculptures are said to represent the 7 creators: heaven, earth, moon, father, mother, sun, and stars. Before leaving, we look back one last time to take in all its beauty and express our gratitude. The rest of our time in Pattaya we spent enjoying the local cuisine, being shown all around town, racing through on moped, and exploring what this great city has to offer. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Just want to show you all that Pattaya is a lot more than just the nightlife. It is very rich in food, culture, and people. So please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next video. Tune in next time to see our next destination.